Hello everyone, my name is Petro, and in this video I'm going to show you a Countersink Drill Bit Set from PARKSIDE. This specific one I bought from Lidl. I paid $3.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. But Lidl will have the advantage of selling this cheaper compared to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you the outer box and of course then show you the contents of the box itself. So let's get started. The box itself is a small size box. It comes with 7 pieces, and as we can see from the front area here, the diameters go from 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, and 6 millimeters. So you get 7 different pieces. So let's check the back. Some information on the product itself, again with different languages. It can be used with, it fits all standard drills and cordless screwdrivers. They are made of high quality carbon steel and some other information which you can pause and read if you wish to. And that's what it is pretty much on the back. On the top, just an example of, I believe, an illustration picture of where you can use it. No other information. The way to open this one is either on the left side or on the right side. It should be a sticker holding a plastic sticker holding it in place. In this case, I've already opened it just to save time. And then once you open it, you just slide it, and then it should come out. So this is the cardboard box or the packaging. This is the small box itself. Simple. Let's open it. Nothing else on the top, and here we have the 7 different pieces. Just pick one of them. And this is it pretty much. So you get 7 different pieces. It fits all the normal standard drills, which I'm going to show you now as an example. This is the performance drill from PARKSIDE. So the way you would use that is with the anti-clock option. You would open the area here where it holds the bits, and then once it's open, you just slide that in. Use the clockwise option to lock it, and that's it pretty much. It's as simple as that. But that should be able to be used with any standard drill. So it does not necessarily have to be a PARKSIDE, but in this occasion I'm showing you a PARKSIDE. And that's it pretty much. A simple small box with 7 pieces from PARKSIDE. Thank you guys for watching the video. Do press the like button, subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.